Yes, hi children, welcome for you for the second video clip related to degrees of comparison. In the previous video clip, I discussed with you how to change positive into comparative, comparative into superlative. This is the type 2 one. This is also degrees of comparison. See this example, very few rivers are as long as the Ganga in the world. See the word order here, very few rivers are as long as the Ganga in the world. This is in positive degree. This is in positive degree. Then how to change it into other degrees? See for example, change it into comparative degree ಆಗಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಬದಲಾಯಿಸಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. Yes, what is that? The Ganga. The Ganga is, then what is the adjective used here? Very few rivers are as long as. This is the adjective used here. What are the other forms of long? One is long, the other one is longer, then the superlative one, that is longest. The Ganga is longer. The Ganga is longer than most other rivers in the world. This is the comparative form. Very few rivers are as long as the Ganga in the world. ಇದನ್ನ comparative form ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ the Ganga is longer than most other rivers in the world. If you are asked to change it into superlative degree ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗಬಹುದು? The Ganga is one of the, ಈ phrase ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾವುದು? One of the longest rivers in the world. ಉದ್ದವಾದಂತಹ ನದಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಗಂಗಾ ನದಿಯು ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಅನ್ನೋ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಇದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಟೈಪ್ 2 ಇನ್ ಚೇಂಜಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಗ್ರೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯಾರಿಸನ್. ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ರಿಪೀಟ್. ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದಾಗ ವೆರಿ ಫ್ಯೂ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದನ್ನು ಬಳಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಕಂಪೇರೇಟಿವ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದರೆ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಅದರ್ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಫಾರ್ಮನ್ನು ಬಳಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೂಪರ್ಲೇಟಿವ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದಾಗ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫ್ರೇಸನ್ನು ಬಳಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸೂಪರ್ಲೇಟಿವ್ ಫಾರ್ಮನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸಿ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ಇಟ್. ಎಸ್, ಕುಡ್ ಯು ರೀಡ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್? ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್? Tagore is better than most other poets in the world or of the world. Tagore is better than Tagore is better than most other poets in the world. What is the adjective here? Yes, this is better. What are the other forms? One is good, the second one is better, the last one is good, better, best. Yes. Children, could you tell me which form it is? Better than most others. So this is comparative form. First I will go for positive form. Positive form ಅನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು? As I told in the previous example, very few in the RMC. Very few what ಅಂತ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಥವಾ who ಅಂತ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿ, you will get the answer. Very few poets are as good as. This is very important. Start with very few and put the adjective in between as and as. Very few poets are as good as Tagore. Very few poets are as good as Tagore in the world. Very few poets are as good as Tagore in the world. This is the positive form. Comparative form already it is done here. Go for the superlative form. Superlative ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು? Tagore is one of the, it's very important, one of the best poets. Tagore is one of the best poets in the world. Tagore is one of the best poets in the world. This is the superlative form. Once again I will repeat. Start with very few to positive. Comparative ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಕಂಪೇರಿಟಿವ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್, ದೆನ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಅದರ್ ಬಳಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸೂಪರ್ಲೇಟಿವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಫ್ಲೂರಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಬಳಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. Go for the third one, Virat Kohli. Read that example. Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli is one of the best batsmen of the world or in the world. Yes, children, could you tell me the degree of this statement? Is it in positive, comparative or superlative? How you are going to identify it? What is the adjective here? One of the best. This is the superlative form. What are the other forms of best? One is good, the other one is better, then the best one. Already it is done. I have to go for good and better. So first I will go for the good. This is positive form. How to start? Very few. Very few. Who? Yaru anta question ಮಾಡಿ. Very few batsmen. Very few batsmen are. Yes. Use as good as Virat Kohli. Very few batsmen are as good as Virat Kohli in the world. This is positive form. Then go for comparative form. Better than. Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli is better than most other batsmen in the world. Dear children, this is the comparative form of Virat Kohli is one of the best batsmen in the world. Yeah, I think you will do fourth and fifth one. Yes, shall I do the fourth one also? Yeah, let us see. ನಾಲ್ಕನೇದೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಐದನೇದು ನೀವೇ ಮಾಡೋರಂತೆ. Go for the fourth example. America is one of the richest countries in the world. This is in superlative form. I will go for first positive. What is the adjective? Yes, it is richest. What are the other forms? One is rich, the other one is richer. Yes, children. Go for first positive form. How to start? Yes, you are exactly right. Very few. Very few. Yes, what? Anta question ಮಾಡಿ ಉತ್ತರ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. Very few countries. Very few countries. Very few countries are as rich as America. Very few countries are as rich as America in the world. This is the positive form of America is one of the richest countries in the world. Yeah, now let's go for the comparative form. Richer. ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು? America is richer. America is richer than most other countries in the world. Yes, children, the last one, fifth example, will you do it? What is that? Kamala is one of the wisest girls in our class. Kamala is one of the wisest girls in our class. What is the adjective used here? Wisest. The other forms, one is wise, the other one is wiser. How to start in positive? Yes, very few girls are, I will repeat, very few girls are as wise as Kamala in our class. Go for comparative form. Kamala is wiser than most other girls in our class. This is type 2 of degrees of comparison. I hope, children, you got the idea of changing of positive degree into comparative then superlative. Thank you children.